Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to deposit funds into your LSSC account. For that, first of all, you need to open your web browser, and here in the search bar, you need to just search for lightshha.com. So lightshha.com is the website where you need to just log in into your account, and here once you have successfully logged in, you need to tap on these three lines in the top left hand corner of the screen. Now over here you will see the recharge option, and this is our deposit option. So you need to tap on recharge, and now it will show you bunch of different recharge options in front of you. Now you cannot actually recharge here with the help of your debit or credit card. You will have to recharge with the help of USDC or USDT, or basically with the help of crypto. So here you need to select which currency you want to deposit. So let's say you want to deposit BTC. So you need to tap on BTC and enter the amount of BTC that you want to transfer. After that, you need to tap on the confirm option in the bottom, and it will show you this type of QR code and the deposit address. So you need to copy this address from here, and you need to launch that particular exchange or wallet where you have BTC available. And now you need to send that in LSSC account. So for example, if I have selected BTC, so you need to just open your Trust wallet or any other wallet where you have the BTC, and here in the search bar you need to just search for BTC. Now once you are able to find Bitcoin, simply tap on the send option, and here in the top you need to just provide that particular address which we have copied from LSSC account. After that, in the amount, you will have to enter the same amount, that was 0.2 BTC that was entered in LSSC account. Once done, you need to tap on the next option in the bottom, and on the next page you just have to follow further on screen instructions in order to send the money from your exchange or your wallet, and within 3 to 5 minutes you are going to receive that in your LSSC account. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.